Hi, it's Josh from MarineMax in New York here in Huntington. Today we're going to take a look at our brand new 2021 Sea Ray 400 SLX. This boat's newly arrived, it's just uncovered today, so we're going to hop on it and go over some of the features. Starting at the rear of the boat, this boat does come with a submersible swim platform. This is an IO boat, as you can see. As we take a step, this platform is also controlled by a switch over here. As we come into it, we'll see a little more. Another great feature about this boat is the beach mode. This platform will open up and give you plenty of room to hang out in the water with your friends, your family. Also have a really cool feature here with this chair. This will open up to allow you to sit here and have great visibility of everybody out on the water, and just a great boat for entertaining out on a beautiful day. And as we come on in, platform, as well as the submersible swim platform. You'll see this boat is also equipped with a nice sink, 2 Kenyan electric grills, great options. And as we come around, you also see this boat has a nice sized fridge and a wine cooler. Don't find on all boats, this is a pretty great option for this boat. Staying back here in the cockpit, you'll see this boat also does have the extendable sunshade. This will extend all the way out to give you coverage in the rear seats there on a bright day if you wanted to get out of the sun. Coming forward, beautiful wooden solid table for your entertaining, for having lunch, however you want to use it. Also, this boat comes with a nice little sunroof here. That'll open up and allow plenty of natural light in. Moving forward to the helm station, you're going to see 2 very large multi-function Simrad display screens. This is really the brain of the boat, where you control all the components from your extendable sunshade to your lighting to many other features that you'd want to control. You also have your switches here for ease of access. Notice over here this boat does have a joystick, which is a great option on a boat this size. Onboard Simrad built in, and the upgraded Fusion stereo, which sounds really nice when it's up and running. Stepping forward to the bow, there's just plenty of room up here for your friends, your family, anybody you want to bring on the boat with you. Very deep, very safe boat to ride in. These chairs are very comfortable. You have the armrest here. You also have charging ports and a stereo up here, which is very convenient if you're hanging out on the bow. This boat also is equipped with a windlass anchor. You got your forward controls, and you have the wash down to clean off the anchor if needed. You see this boat also does have the spotlight. So as we step back, we're going to take a look underneath and show you what the cabin looks like. Hop on down. You can see that there's plenty of room for a boat of this size to have a cabin and a bow. I'm 6'3" and I'm able to stand fully tall without hunching over. You have the Dometic AC and heat controls up here. You also have another set of stereo controls, an additional fridge, and you have a microwave. You have the sleeping area underneath the cockpit here if you wanted to tuck in, or you could bring this table down and turn that into a sleeping area as well. And this boat also does come with a full-size head. Very, very nicely done. The interior is very well done in this boat. And as we step out, from here we're going to take a walk and look around the outside of the hull so you can get an idea of the color of the hull and the other cool aspects of this boat. But before we do that, I'd like to tell you, if you have any questions about this boat or like to see it in person, give us a call at our MarineMax Huntington, New York sales office. One of the team members or myself will be happy to show you this boat anytime you like. Thank you.